Hello, beautiful people. Miss Freund here. Welcome to Drama Workshop this trimester. You are obviously on the Canvas page already, so I just wanted to get on here so you can see my face. And I wanted to welcome you to, honestly, like my favorite class ever, Drama Workshop. We're going to have a blast this trimester. Welcome to the course Canvas page. All you really need to know as you get started is right below this video, you'll see two links. First, like all the classroom information is found in the link Our Classroom Information. That includes like the syllabus, what we're going to be doing this trimester, stuff about me, etc., how to get a hold of me and all that good stuff. And the link underneath that is just the place where you will find both the Zoom link that we'll use every time we meet in person, aka the synchronous times. And then underneath that, you'll also find in that same tab the slides and essentially all the assignments slash just all the learning we'll be doing. So the first thing after watching this video, just explore the classroom information as well as that place to find the Zoom link found in Drama Workshop, Agenda, and Work. Email me anytime at freund.brook@Iowa City Schools if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see you this trimester. Bye.